Have you tried making your sun-dried tomato spaghetti like this? Any sort of pasta form? It is very simple, flavorful, better than takeout or any sort of food delivery. Stick around and let's cook. The first thing on this meal for this recipe is mise en place. It's a true definition of mise en place, getting everything you need close to you, because at the end you just want to drop everything in that pan and you are ready to enjoy your meal. First, I have my brunoise chopped onion, slice that and set aside. Again, I have my parsley, fresh parsley. You can go for any herbs of your choice, okay? But the fresh parsley is a game changer. So also go ahead and chop it, set aside. Third one is the sun-dried tomato from glass, okay, laid in an olive oil. It's better to go for that from olive oil glass or from glass because it's more tender and easy to, for a short cooking meals like this. So you want to go ahead, chop and set aside. Now, before we continue, I'll say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always tuning in. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. Now, if you want to save more money, you want to learn how to save money, not to go out, eat out, or uh, take out or food ordering, you want to stick around on this channel. I have amazing simple recipe. I also have restaurant style meals, all kinds of meal home and abroad. So stick around and all you need is subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. What I did is start with a pot of water. Bring a pot of water to a boil. While that is boiling or cooking, grab a pan, add in some olive oil, add in some oil from the sun-dried tomato glass, and then go in with chili flakes, whatever you can take. Go in with your pressed garlic, saute everything, and then add in your sun-dried tomato paste or the onion first. You want to just do this on a low heat, toast here and there, just to achieve what you see on the screen. Let those flavor marry themselves. While I'm doing that, I added my spaghetti to my cooking water, adding good amount of salt and cook on a gentle heat. Now, from that pasta water, while I was doing that, from that pasta water, get in some and declare your pan. On no condition should you cook your spaghetti first before the sauce is ready. It's a no-no because we need our pasta water for to finish up our meal. And also, the spaghetti has to be halfway cooked. You do not want to cook your spaghetti all through. We'll finish up the cooking in this pan, add in your spaghetti, add in more water if you feel like you still need more liquid to cook your spaghetti. As you can see in this pan, the spaghettis are more like still standing. Okay, so it's not completely cooked. Stir everything generously and bring in your, let it cook a little bit. You can, cook with fillings, then add in your spinach. Like guys, if you feel like this video is too long for you, please check out my Facebook handle, short videos, details, and very fast. You will love it there at Anniekrieger Plate. Also on TikTok, Anniekrieger Plate. Simple, easy, detailed recipes are there too. I will be glad to see you there, guys. Please, please, please follow me up there. Now, adding your spinach, adding the chopped parsley. Like, guys, the chopped parsley is a game changer. Drizzle some amount of olive oil if you feel like it is not giving enough. Okay, olive oil is a healthy one. Okay, so just don't be afraid, not too much, but yeah, small amount of it goes a whole long way, and you will enjoy this meal. Let me say thank you so much for watching till this time. Like guys, no need to order any meal. This one is even ready in less than 15 minutes. It was ready. Perfect for vegans, for vegetarians, of course, for anyone who want to skip protein for that week. Okay, your protein, non-protein day meal. Okay, this one is perfect for lunch, for dinner, however you want to serve yourself. Thank you so much for watching till this time. We are ready to plate. I went in with just small amount of what's it called, Parmesan, and guys, it was delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please hype this video for me. Please hype and leave your opinion in the comment section, and bye for now.